So guys, showing us yet one more written game on the LeetCode Camp channel. So in today's video, we are solving our question number 650 by the name of two keys keyboard. So yeah, in today's video, we are solving this question in Python 3, and this question is based on two examples. Okay, so we will be understand both of the examples step by step, and this is a medium one question which we are solving. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing these type of tutorials. So let's move to computer screen and let's start to solve today's question in Python 3. So now let's get it started. Guys, let's start with today's video. In today's video, we are solving our question number 1650 by the name of two keys keyboard. So yeah, in today's video, we are solving this question, and in today's question, there are two examples are included. But the question is very simple and easier. So let's start and let's understand this example. So let's start. Now 650 question, two keys keyboard. There is only one character A on the screen of a notepad. You can perform one of two operations on this notepad for each step. First, copy all. You can copy all the characters which present on screen. A partitional copy is not allowed. Okay, the partitional copy is not allowed. Okay, please highlight this word. Number 2, paste. You can paste the characters which are copied last time. It has given me an integer by the name of n, which return the minimum number of operations to get the character A exactly n times on the screen. Okay, so this is our task. It is giving me one integer array integer by the name of n, in which we want to return the minimum number of operations to get the character A exactly n times on the screen. Example 1. Here he created one integer by the name of n, in which he wrote it down 3. Here he created one integer by the name of n, in which he wrote it down number 3. Okay, and the output is becoming 3. Why? Because initially we have one character A. In step 1 we use copy all operation. In step 2 we use paste operation to get A. In step 3 we use paste operation to get A and A. So it is one first example. Now second example, here he created one integer by the name of n, in which he wrote it down 1, and the output is becoming 0. Okay, so this is the question which we are solving in today's video. I hope you understood the question. It has given me one integer and we wanted the minimum number of operations to get the character A exactly n times on the screen. Okay, so let's come to the Google Chrome and let's try to solve this question. And it's a medium one question which we are solving. And in today's question, the hint is also be included. So if you want to view the hint, so view it. Only one hint has been included. Okay, so let's read the hint. How many characters may be there in the clipboard at the last step if n equals to 3, okay, and n equals to 7, n equals to 10, or n equals to 24? It is one hint. And this question is based on two topics, math and dynamic programming. And this question total 4,80,000 people have submitted it, and only 2,84,000 people has been accepted, and total acceptance rate is 59.2%. So let's try to solve this question in Python 3. So first of all, we define here class of a solution, def min steps save comma and int, and it's a int, so we define here int. Perfect. Define if statement, n equals to 1, return 0, steps equals to 0, factor equals to 2, while n greater than 1, and then semicolon, while n, and then module sign define here, factor, okay, define here factor, define equals to 0, steps plus equals to factor. Okay, So please see the codes, okay, and then write it. N equals to we can also be called as slash factor plus equals to 1. Enter, back, enter, return, step. So now let's define the code. We define the class of our solution, define an as a integer, and then define here, define if statement, return output. Okay, do like these things. Create integer by the name of steps. Create one more integer by the name of factor. Define while loop. Define while loop again. Create a variable by the name of steps. Create a variable by the name of n. Create a integer by the name of factor. Create all over, define here all over the output. So you can see we have written all the code. So let's see the running code now. So when I run this code, so now the running code has been giving me an error. Step is not defined. Okay, define here steps. Now let's see the running code. So when I run this code, so now running code has been accepted. You can say in the first case the expected output is 3, mouse output coming 3, and the case the expected output is 0 and mouse output coming 0. So the last thing is to submit this code. So when I submit this code, so now the submission code is also be accepted and I beat 100% people. And now let's post the solution. So if you see my solution, so this type of title will be written down, okay, and then I posted the solution. So here you see in today's video we solved this question. If you enjoyed today's video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing these type of tutorials, because in today's video we solved a question number 650 by the name of 2 keys keyboard. So now let's meet in the next video, amazing video. So now for today, goodbye.